Savvy Serena. Today we are doing the September plan with me. And we are going to start off with, and make sure you get this video a thumbs up. It's going to be another simple design as always. Start out with a Hello Fall banner. It's September 23rd, so I've got a leaf today, so that'll remind me that fall begins that day. It don't say fall, but I could always write it in there. A little heart on the 12th, and use one of my pens. This is a 0.5 fine line marker by Prism Color, and I'm gonna put Ed's birthday. And I could put first day of fall right here. A sign that says, and all of it at once, summer collapse into fall. And I'm gonna put that over here because that's what this month is gonna end up doing. Down here at the bottom, I have one that says hello fall, because by the end of the month, it should start feeling like fall. And I've got a little and sign we're going to stick in the center. Now remember, this month is to focus. One that says dreams are for chasing, which we're going to put that in the center. Little hearts I'm going to put up here, and one little gold one that's different. Put a little heart because of Labor Day. Sometimes we do a cookout or go to the lake for the last time on Labor Day. I don't know what we're going to have planned. And I think that's it. Another very simple design. I really need to get more stickers. I got to find me another book because I'm running low on some of the things that I want to do. So I don't have a lot of stickers left, but with what I've got, this isn't too bad. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Y'all come back now. Y'all here?